Hello guys.
The red one.
Red one. About what? How about there? Here. Come here.
I already done there.
Oh, you're done. What's next?
What is this? Young plant.
What? Here? What you say? What you say? How about there, Leo? How about here? Oy, there.
There?
Oh,
It's already done.
done. Wala lagi mabasa.
Nabasa uy.
Masa di ay.
Uy,
Hindi, plants ni Lola. Lola Pupoy. Taro nga. Alagi yan po ni Kulor. Yan mo ni Tito. Yan mo ni Tito yan. Ang nangiyan ko. Nayayay. Yan, nag-water si water. Nag-on si iyo di rin. Nagbubo sa tanom ni Lolo. Nakapit na ba mo tubig. Yan po ni Tito dyan. Tapos pasa lagi.
ayun, lagi ko.
No.
Yan, babubuhan tanom ni Lolo Pupoy. Dili. Ala. Alagi. Kuha mong water. Ano sa nanin? Finish na. Hehe.
Napadaghan uy.
Kapay lalaghan, deng.
Daghan maning. More water.
Pila ka buk tanom ni Lola?
Daghan.
Pila?
1,100.
1,100? Pagka naman ron.
Daghan lagi kong tubig.
Please English.
Water.
No, please bring.
Water.
Please, what?
There's a plant here. In the middle.
Okay, fix it. Yeah, wash your hands.
Please give me water and I hand that. Please Gunita.
Here.
Make the water right there.
In the high level.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Please go on me. Done with that.
You should clean first before you watering the plants. Careful, oi.
Done with this. Time for this. And time for this. That is all. Thank you for. Oh, I see a knife.
Oh.
That is broken. I wish I can. That would. I'm washing the plants, guys.
And
And then washing all the plants in my house.
lots of plants.
Yeah, ooh, there's spiders here.
Oh, here.
Your turn.
Okay, guys. We're almost done.
Cut!